transfer is a method used to estimate the value of nature or the environment, like forests, rivers, or clean air, by using results from previous studies done in other places. Instead of doing a new expensive study, we transfer the values from one location to another, as long as the two places are similar. This helps save time and money, especially when quick decisions are needed for environmental planning or policy.
Why benefit transfer important in ecosystem service valuation? First, it saves costs. There is no need for expensive new studies. We can use existing data. Second, it saves time. It is fast, especially when decisions need to be made quickly. Third, it supports policy and planning. The estimates are used in cost-benefit analysis and environmental decisions. Fourth, it helps fill data gaps. When there are no local data, we can use information from similar places. Finally, it allows large-scale assessment, like at the national or regional level. So, benefit transfer is a practical, fast, and efficient method for environmental decision making.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the strength and the weaknesses of benefit transfer method. So let's start. The first one, I'm going to talk about the strength of the benefit transfer method. So the first strength is it is cost effective and time saving. Instead of starting from scratch, we can use existing valuation studies which save both money and time. For the second one, it is practical for policy making. Government and planners often need quick estimates for decision making, and benefit transfer method offers a workable solution when detailed studies aren't feasible. So for the third one, it leverages existing data. As more valuation studies are published and the method becomes more useful and widely applicable. The fourth strength for benefit transfer method is it is great for early stage planning, which it helps provide ballpark figures that can guide whether a full study is even necessary. And finally, the fifth strength is it is very flexible. It can be applied to many sectors, including environmental management, transportation, recreation, and also for the health. So let's next move to the weaknesses of this method, which is the downside of the benefit transfer method. So the first one, the benefit transfer method might not be that accurate. For example, if the new place is different from the place where the study was done, like in culture, income, or environment, the number of the result might be wrong. So for the second weaknesses, not all values will transfer well, like something like how much people value clean air or beautiful views, for example, can be very personal or local. Third one, the original study might not be that good. If the first study had mistakes, those mistakes will show up in the new result too. So for the fourth weaknesses, the data might be old. For example, if the study was done years ago, people's opinion and prices may have changed. So there might be misunderstanding on the results later. That's all for the weaknesses and the strengths of benefit transfer method.
Hi, here is the real case study for benefit transfer. First, we have the Putri Champo and the Piyungan landfill. So this is the introduction of this case. Is the Putri Champo landfill is located in Surakarta. The total land area of the Putri Champo landfill is 7 hectares and can be used of infrastructure development in waste management with a maximum area of 8 hectares. Benefit transfer is used because the Piyungan landfill and Putri Champo landfill have the same characteristic. Chronic studies show that The benefit of the transfer method can be used if the natural resources of the ecosystem have same ecosystem and market characteristic. So that for to calculate Pyongyang landfill, they use a potential for landfill case studies.
Reducing crowding effects damage in marine parks in Malaysia. Marine parks are special sea areas protected to save coral reef and marine life like seagrass beds, mangrove, and sea creatures. Malaysia has 6 marine parks which are also popular tourist spots. For example, Paya Marine Park saw a big increase in visitors in 1990 to 2002, but too many visitors can damage coral reef and harm the marine parks. This study looks at how much visitors are willingness to pay to help reduce damage in 3 marine parks, which is Paya, Redang, and Tioman. The contingent valuation method was used where visitors were asked if they would pay certain amount to support conservation. By knowing the public, WTP policymakers can make better decisions for funding and protect the environment. So next